Today we are going to be working on exercise 19-11, break-even sales and sales to realize income from operations. For the current year ended October 31st, Friedman Company expects fixed costs of $14,300,000, a unit variable cost of $250, and a unit selling price of $380. A. Compute the anticipated break-even sales in units, and B. Compute the sales in units required to realize income from operations of $2,405,000. So what is the anticipated break-even sales in units? We are going to need to use the formula fixed cost over the sales price minus variable cost. So they told us right here that the fixed cost was $14,300,000. So $14,300,000. And then we're going to be putting the sales price, which is $380, minus the variable cost, which is $250. So if we do 380 minus 250, we end up getting 130. So that's our contribution margin. So we get 14,300,000. Put that over 130. So 14,300,000 divided by 130. We end up getting 110,000. So that means that we need to sell 110,000 units in order to break even. Next, we're going to be solving B. How many units do we have to sell to bring in 2,405,000? So what we have to do is we have to use the formula fixed cost plus target profit over the unit contribution margin. So the fixed cost, like we said earlier, was 14,300,000 plus the target profit, which is 2,405,000, and we're going to put that over the contribution margin, which is 130. So we end up doing the 14,300 plus 2,405, 123, and we're going to put that over 130, and we're going to get 128,500. And in order to ensure that our answer is correct, we are going to do the sales cost. So that's 380. We're going to multiply by the number that we just got. So 128,500. And we're going to get, let's see. So this number times 380. So we're going to get 488,300,000. So 48,830,000. And then we're going to be using that same number, 128,500, but we're going to multiply it this time by the variable cost, which was 250. And we're going to end up getting 32,125,123. So we're going to subtract that. But we're also going to subtract the 14,300,000, and remember that was our fixed cost, we'll write that down, fixed cost. So in subtracting those numbers, we end up getting, let's see, so this 48 million minus the 32 minus the 14,300, 2,405. We end up getting the 2,405,000. And that was our target profit. So we know that this number is correct.